Well, the Honorable Chief Minister, after touring the entire flood ravaged district, and particularly today, he had held a press conference. In fact, the press conference, he gave some of the details, including what was our inflow and the outflow. Apart from this, he had shared a certain experience where the immediate measures have been taken up. He is damn hell-bent to see that the priority, the people's protection, and as well as the relief operation is a priority which he has already dealt with. Apart from that, he said that even today, that Nirmala Sitharaman has visited the state and she has toured the entire flood-affected areas, and he sent that a petition has already, a representation has already been sent to Honorable Prime Minister as well as the Finance Minister to increase the allocation, the flood allocation. However, at last he also said that around 850 crores have been released from Narega. But looking at the entire aspect after the flood ravaged district, and he dealt that our officers who are there for 24/7, and not only that, almost all the MPs and the MLAs of all the different particular regions are themselves taking up the charge and be supervising and managing the flood affected areas. And overall, the most important question is that the concerned minister, the district ministers are not there in the present. The questions being raised by one of our honourable member, and the honourable chief minister said that shortly, as soon as these flood is decreased, as soon as it comes to the normal, and definitely in a day or two, he will go to the Delhi to finalize the list for the probable names for the cabinet expansion. The chief minister gave an in-depth analysis where he went and what are his personal experiences, and apart from, he justified that I'm ready to spend whatever the amount, particularly to meet the needs of the people. This is Nanshika reporting from Krishna.